Hello everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to generate a video from Sora AI platform. So basically they have official guide on their site as well, but still if you are confused, this video is here to save the day. So what you can do is simply head over to Sora AI, and once you make your account and have a subscription, you will be able to see this type of text bar right in the center of your screen. And here you need to enter a prompt, like for example a wide serene shot of family of woolly, you can say like textures, and you need to define whatsoever you would like to generate and should have in the video. Once you do, simply click onto this arrow and wait for a couple of seconds. It is going to be taking some time because it is generating videos, and you can see we have this kind of videos generated, and boom, that is literally it. That is how to generate a video from Sora AI. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. It is literally really easy, and make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.